So now we are dealing with the topic nutrition. Now we will talk about how this process of nutrition takes place in plants. The process of nutrition, all the living organisms carry out the process of nutrition in order to gain energy for the various processes. Plants are also the same. Since plants cannot move from one place to another, but they do grow, so they require the energy for growth. And this energy is supplied by sunlight. So the plants prepare their own food and are heterotrophs and follow the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is derived from the two words photo plus synthesis. The word photo means light and synthesis means to build or to prepare. So the preparation of food by plants using carbon dioxide and water with the help of light is known as photosynthesis. The simplest food is the glucose. So the simplest food which is made by the plants is glucose. This excessive glucose is stored in the form of starch. Now we will be discussing how this process of photosynthesis takes place. This process of photosynthesis is usually carried out in only green plants as they contain a pigment called as the chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is present in the leaves of the plant and is contained in tiny organelles called as chloroplast. So the photosynthesis is only carried out in those plants containing the pigment chlorophyll. And this chlorophyll is present in tiny organelles called chloroplasts. So what happens is, for photosynthesis, plants need carbon dioxide, CO2, which is taken up by the plants from the air. Because carbon dioxide is abundantly present in air, so this carbon dioxide is taken up by the plants from the air with the help of small pores which is present in the leaves called as the stomata. Through these pores, this carbon dioxide diffuses into the leaves of the plant. So the food is prepared in the leaves of the plant, and from there it is distributed to different parts of the body. So this carbon dioxide is needed plus water is needed. So this water which is needed by the plants for the process of photosynthesis is taken up from the soil with the help of xylem vessels. These xylem vessels with the help of roots. These roots suck up the water from the soil and is transported to the leaves where the synthesis of food takes place. Now this carbon dioxide and this water combines together to form a food, simple food called as the glucose, which is C6H12O6, and this food is known as the glucose. Plus in this process, oxygen is released in the atmosphere. So the oxygen is a byproduct of this mechanism and is released in the atmosphere. What happens is, during this process, not only carbon dioxide and water is needed, but also the light energy of the sun. This light energy is used in splitting this water molecule into H and O ions. This H and O ions are transported and then combines with carbon dioxide to form glucose. This excessive glucose, is used by the plants for the growth mechanisms and for their various respiratory processes. If the glucose is in excess, it is transported to different parts of the body and there it is stored as starch. So this is the process of photosynthesis. This carbon dioxide, which is taken up from the atmosphere, from the air, combines with the water which is taken up from the soil, and with the help of light energy, sunlight energy, is converted into glucose, and oxygen is produced as a byproduct. So this is overall the process of photosynthesis.